Earn $3 every minute chatting with people online. Chat and get paid secret website. Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well, and today I'm going to teach you the most incredibly easy way to earn money right from the comfort of your couch, using nothing but just your phone. Now guys, I know that these days there are hundreds of ways to earn money online from your home's comfort zone. But nothing, and believe me, nothing is easier than this easy peasy way that I am about to share with you guys. So just stay tuned and watch till the end so that you too might be able to earn a lot of money and make your dreams come true. So guys, you all probably have already tried one or the other way to earn online. You guys might have noticed that many times websites that you come across that claim to help you earn money online are just fake and scams. They take away your time, effort, and sometimes even your money, and do not give you back anything. So first of all, let me make it very clear that the website that I am going to share with you guys in this video is totally legitimate and authentic, and I myself have given it a try, and it actually genuinely pays you. So, first thing first, you might be wondering what this website is and what you'll have to do in order to earn money from this website. Guys, this website is basically just a simple website that helps people connect to and make friends online. There are many people in this world that often feel very lonely and sad, and in such times, all they need is a friend to talk to. But many such people don't have friends, so this website helps them get this much-needed friend. But it also asks them to pay. So basically, all you have to do is chat as a friend with people who are willing to pay, and you get all the money just by chatting. Doesn't it seem easy already? Well, do not stop watching this video till the end, as in the end of this video, I will not only show you step by step how to set up your profile on this website and start earning your own money, but I will also give you one extraordinary tip that will help boost your business and income on this website. So guys, the name of this website is rentacyberfriend.com. Well, as the name suggests, on this website, someone will rent you as their online friend. You will have to chat with them, or you can do video calls and they will be charged per minute. Alright, on the website's homepage, it says that you will get paid $0.1 per minute. But that is only the least amount of wage you'll get for 1 minute. If you follow my instructions well, you will be able to earn as much as $3 a minute. Yes, you heard me right. $3 a minute it is. And that makes $180 just for an hour. Incredible, isn't it? Okay guys, so moving ahead, as we open the website, the homepage shows up and it shows all that the website is about. It says, making deep connections have never been easier. It says video calls, it's private, search based on your interests, etc. Anyways, this is all for the clients. In order to become an earner on this website, scroll down and click on Become a Cyber Friend. Then a new screen appears and it says, Welcome Cyber Friends. Are you passionate about anything and looking for ways to earn money on the side? Then renting a cyber friend is for you. Receive video calls from callers who want you to engage them on what matters to you both. Well, this explains pretty much everything that this website is about. This website is designed for people who wish that they have someone to talk to and pour out what's inside their hearts. People who are lonely or sad. People who want someone to comfort them. And they are all willing to even pay to get someone to do all this. And that's what you have to become. A friend who can help them, comfort them, and talk to them. Listen to their problems and try to give them the best suggestions on how to solve them, or just be there for them to listen. And while doing all this, you get paid in turn. Anyways, let's move ahead. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see a sign up form. You have to fill it in and click on Sign Up Now. You can join this platform from anywhere in the world. All you need is a good internet connection, a good camera, and a good friendly smile. If you have all these things, you can sign up. Add your interests and wait for the approval. Once you click on Sign Up, they send you an email to confirm your identity. So all you have to do is to open your email inbox and go to the mail sent from this website. Then click on the link provided, and it will take you to the login window. Put in your email and password, and you'll log into your account. In your account, the dashboard shows your earnings. And as your account will be new, so it will show $0. Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, you will have to complete your profile, as at this stage your account has just been made, but it is not complete yet. In order to complete your profile, click on the button at the top of the screen which says "Click here to complete your profile." Then add a good photo of yourself that is high quality and clear. Then you can add the languages that you know and can speak fluently. Then you can go to the extreme left of your screen and click on Interests, Prices. Here you should add whatever your interests are and select a price. You should put $3 per minute in the pricing menu, or you can put whatever price you want. Then click on the Save Changes button and it will save these updates to your profile. Then you should go to the Photo Gallery option. From here you can add more photos of yourself, as they will potentially increase your chances of earning more and connecting with more people because people prefer to see you before they actually connect with you. You can also have more options like Tips, where you can see if some user has tipped you based on your looks or conversation skills. You also get the option to block someone. And then there is the option of Withdraw Earnings, from where you can transfer your earnings from this website's account into your bank account through bank transfer, or you can transfer your money into your account using PayPal or Stripe. Okay, so once you've completed your profile, an option appears on the top of the screen that says Accept Calls. But as your profile is waiting for approval yet, so you will have to wait until it gets approved. If you click on Accept Calls, it says that your CyberFriend profile is currently pending approval, and that the team will review it as soon as possible. And we will notify you via email once the review process is complete. Okay, so guys, after this, you have to wait a few days until the team has reviewed your account. And after that, you can start connecting to people around the globe and start earning your own money. And before ending this video, I promised you guys that I will share a tip with you which will make a huge difference in how well you do on this website. So guys, the tip is that if you are not from America or Europe, then you must use a VPN while using this website. Using a VPN will change your location to America or United Kingdom or anywhere else in Europe. And this can make a huge difference in two ways. First, it will tremendously increase the chances of your profile being approved by the website, as there is a chance that if you use the location of some third world country, then your profile might even get rejected. And the second way that using a VPN will help you is that it will help you connect to more people, and in this way, you will be able to earn much more, because people in general prefer to connect with someone who is from the US, UK, or other European nations. Okay guys, that was all from today's video. I hope this video helps you earn a lot of money from your home. If you liked today's video, then click on the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks to earn money online. Have a great day. Thank you.